Rube Goldberg machines are better and better the bigger and longer they get. The more steps they have, the better it is. So far this week, we talked about energy, how energy is transferred. We talked about ramps, we talked about pendulums, we talked about stick bombs, and we talked about electrical devices within your Rube Goldberg machine. Your mission is to take at least two of those steps that we talked about and then combine them into one mini Rube Goldberg machine. You should have a trigger that starts the pendulum that makes a ball fall down a ramp. You should have a stick bomb that triggers an electrical device. However you do it, see how many steps you can work into it. Now, you're already doing one of these Rube Goldbergs with your club. So maybe some of these elements can be incorporated into the one you're already working on, or maybe this is just for you to get better and better. I've got two videos to share with you today. One is from one of my favorite bands called OK Go, and you've probably already heard of it because it's one of the biggest, most popular Rube Goldberg machines of all time. This group was responsible for really bringing back and sort of re-inspiring people with the idea of a Rube Goldberg machine. It's about 4 minutes long, and it incorporates an entire warehouse full of stuff. There's another video that I want to share with you, both of which will be at the bottom, links, comments, I don't know, I'll find a way to stick it in there. The other Rube Goldberg machine is really simple. It's called the page turner. It involves lots of different kinds of energy, but it's pretty small. It involves a coffee table and a corner of an apartment. It's really clever and really, really well done. What I liked about both of these, though, is that they had to be repeatable. They had to work over and over and over and over again. If you got it to work one time, but you couldn't get it to work anymore, it's not really going to help you when it comes time to get to the state fair. So, once you got at least 2 steps locked in and it's been successful at least 3 times in a row, then you're ready to film it. Tell us all about it. I'm hoping by the end of this week, we're going to take everybody's videos and we're going to make a giant montage. We're going to stick them all together to make one long film about all of your amazing Rube Goldberg stuff. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with today.